Good day, ma'am. Today, I'll present my Figma design for Boss Coffee. Before I begin, let me explain three key aspects: the business description and goals, the target audience and their needs, and the essential app features. These three are interconnected in my Boss Coffee business. Boss Coffee is your go-to spot for a quick and refreshing iced coffee fix. We offer a variety of classic and trendy flavors, all made with high-quality beans and fresh ingredients. Pop in for a pick-me-up, hang out with friends, or grab a cup to go. We're your neighborhood coffee shop, serving up mild and delicious iced coffee. Our primary goals for Boss Coffee are to establish a strong brand presence and achieve sustainable profitability. This involves increasing brand awareness and market share within our target demographics through effective marketing and operational efficiency. We aim to cultivate a loyal customer base by providing a consistently high-quality product and memorable customer experience, driving traffic to our store and generating positive online reviews. Financially, we aim for profitability and effective loss management, ensuring the long-term stability of the business. This includes optimizing our operations for efficiency and exploring opportunities for expansion while maintaining our commitment to use high-quality ingredients and sustainable practices. We will make sure success through sales growth, customer loyalty, and positive brand perception. The target audience and their needs are professionals, students, fitness enthusiasts, influencers, families. First, we have professionals. Professionals need convenient, high quality, energizing coffee with variety and healthy options. Students need affordable, varied, social, and late night coffee options. The fitness enthusiasts need healthy, sustained energy, on-the-go coffee options. And last, the families need kid-friendly options, affordability, comfortable seating, and potentially family deals. App features are homepage, notification bell, the profile icon, the settings, and the shopping cart option. In today's fast-paced world, finding a truly exceptional iced coffee can be a challenge. Many options fall short, offering lukewarm brews and inconsistent quality. That's where Boss Coffee comes in. We're dedicated to providing a superior iced coffee experience, crafted with the finest ingredients and a commitment to excellence. Our presentation will showcase how we're redefining the iced coffee market. We'll explore our unique approach to sourcing, brewing, and serving iced coffee, highlighting our commitment to both quality and convenience. From our carefully selected beans to our innovative brewing methods and customer-focused service, we're confident that Boss Coffee offers a refreshing alternative that will resonate with today's coffee lovers. We also discuss our business model, marketing strategies, and future plans for growth. Before I'll start, I'd like to say, on a hot summer day, what's the first thing that comes to mind? For many, it's a refreshing iced coffee, but finding a truly exceptional iced coffee can be a challenge. That's why we created Boss Coffee, offering a superior iced coffee experience that's both delicious and convenient. So, mauni ako ang front page or front framework. Makita nato ang duha ka gamay nga rectangle, which is ang sulod kay register and login. So, if i-click ni nato ang ning register, which is mao ni ang first way para makahimo og account. So need lang nato i-fill out ng mga blank dira para makaregister ta. Sunod, after na nato na siya ma-fill outan, i-click dayon nato ang next. After nato ma-click ang next, madiretso ta aning create a password. So after nimo mo create og password, just click sign in, and then if maka-sign in na ta, mao na ni siya ang homepage. So dire makita nato ang unom ka flavor sa product nga iced coffee. So try ta og order og dark chocolate. I-click na nato na siya. After maklik na nato, madiretso ta sa checkout nga frame. So sa dire makita ang name nga address nasa babaw. Atoa na siyang pinduton para sakto ang location sa ato ang order. So kay atoa naman siyang gipindot, buot pasabot need na to siya fill outan tanan. Unya after ana ug mahuman tag fill out, just click submit and makita nato sa ubos nga naay nakabutang nga please leave a message. About sa sugar na siya, gituyo na nako siya kay sure ko nga ang uban ganahan ug tamis, ang uban dili ganahan. So if i-click na nato, mao na siya ang mogawas. So sa dire i-message lang og unsay gusto nimo i-message. After ana, click done. And then if okay na tanan, just place your order. So if mausob imong hunahuna, naa sa ibabaw na makabutang nga back. And then if i-click ni natong notification bell, mao na ni siya. So sa notification bell, diri nato makita kung naa bay bag-o nga flavors. So next kay i-click ni natong profile icon sa ubos tapad. Ni-click na ato ana makita nato og unsa atong gi-order o makita po nato ang mga messages nato sa Buzz Coffee nga store. Then try ta og login. Need sa nato mo log out. First, mudong ta sa homepage, then sa upper right makakita tag settings nga icon. I-click na nato then log out. So tayo natong login. So ang kining login mo gamit ra ta ani if naa natay account daan para largo na. So same go sa gihapon, click rag unsay gustong orderon then place order. That's all. Thank you.